Who would like to lead prayer first? Yes, Jimmy. And Sandy. And before we sing, please pick also small happy first and sing properly. Before that, yes, how do you do today? Yes, we will. Yes, no, we can. How about you, Andre? Okay. And let's check the attendance. Who are absent today? Okay. Thank you. And for that, I got motivation first. This motivation, what it was called, guess the mood. Okay. Our guys, if you know the answer, please raise your hand. Okay. And guess the mood, I think is a showing video, and you will do it, I guess it. Okay. That's clear. Yes. And if you correct, if you're correct the answer, just give me the best clap, okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3, the best clap, okay? Okay, that's clear. That's clear. Okay. The first video is showing you that I guess it. The best clap. Okay. The first video. Raise your hand. You know the answer. Yes, no one. Dancing? Your answer is correct. Okay, give me the best topic, okay? 1, 2, 3, the best clap. Okay? And do this. You reward mo after discussion. Okay? The next slide. No. Raise your hand. Yes, Trina. Running. Your answer is correct. Give me the best of Trina. 1, 2, 3. The best. Okay? Next. Yes. Walking. Walking is correct. Bigyan natin ng box si Thea. 1, 2, 3. The best. Okay? Diray siya. Last. Yes, Bimbim. Jumping, sir. Jumping? Jumping is correct. The best. And before we proceed our next slide, so palagay nyo, what do you think our topic for today? Yes, Andy.
I think aerobic exercise.
Yes, very good. And our topic for today, this morning, is aerobic exercise. And let's talk about our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, student able to define what is aerobic exercise. The second one is demonstrate the different example of aerobic exercise. And the last one is explain what health benefits of aerobic exercise to daily life. And let's proceed. What is aerobic exercise? Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Yes, Maxine.
Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, is a sustained physical activity that produces your heart rate and breathing while improving cardiovascular health.
Okay, thank you, Maxine. Sabi niya, aerobic exercise, also known as cardio. Very good. Is sustained physical activity. While doing aerobic exercise is Pag nag-ano tayo, yung aerobic plus meaning cardio. Dito, meaning, pag nag-walking tayo, yan, may nag-running tayo, yung cardio natin is nasusustain. Kasi sabi sa based on my research, cardiovascular endurance is sustained physical activity while doing. Kasi siya yung nasusustain or nagbibigay ng oxygen sa heart and lungs natin. And also sabi na, that increase your heart rate and breathing. Kasi di ba pag nag-aerobic exercise tayo, napapagod tayo. Kaya yung heart rate natin tumataas. Why? Because kasi pag napapagod tayo, di ba nag-iit yung katawan natin. Kaya yung dugo natin is tumataas yan. Yun yung pinaka-sign na yung heart rate natin is tumataas na nag-increase na sabi ng breathing. Bakit? Why? Because when doing aerobic exercise, yung breathing natin is nag-change. Yung reaction ng katawan natin is nagbabago. Yung breathing natin, minsan pag sobrang hikal natin, iba yung breathing natin, sobrang deeper, sobrang lalim, di ba? And also doing cardiovascular endurance. Okay? That's clear, guys. The class. Any question? Answer. Okay, very good. And let's talk about example of aerobic exercise. The first one is walking. Who wants to read? Where's your hand? Yes, Ali.
Walking, a common and accessible aerobic exercise.
Thank you, Abby. The one example of aerobic exercise is walking. Sabi ka, a common and accessible aerobic exercise. Ba't sinabi common? Kasi karaniwan na sa atin ito. The way na nag-walking tayo is alam na natin ngayon na aerobic exercise pala yan. Diba? The way na nag-walk tayo, may nag-improve or may benefits pala to yung walking na to. Kasi based on my research, walking is the best fast burn fast. And also, walking is pinakamababang class ng exercise pero marami siya benefits sa body natin. And also, walking is napakaganda sa katawan natin. Bakit kamo? Kasi walking, it's a very important because di ba, when doing buying store, nag-walk tayo. Ay, nakapag-exercise na tayo, di ba? Walk lang tayo. And also, and another, yung walking is, napakagandang benefit sa atin yan, is natatake natin next slide. Kasi walking is, next slide. And, pinaka-best na minimum time when walking more benefits talaga makukuha sa atin is yung 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? The next one is running. Running is a sustained cardiovascular activities that can be done outdoor or on a treadmill. Why? Kasi running kasi, sabi nila no, sustained cardiovascular. While running kasi, while doing running, talaga nag-improve or sustain natin yung cardiovascular natin. Then, dahil, while you're running, 5 to 10, 1 to 3 kilometers, is napakailan sa katawan natin yan kasi doon na talaga is naglalabas na tayo ng ano sa katawan natin. Yung sweating na tayo, deeper breathing, deeper breathing, and also, yung mga muscles natin is sumasakit na yan. Meron ng side effects sa katawan natin yan. Okay? That's clear po ba? Yes. The next one is cycling. Riding a bike either outdoor or an stationary bike is a great aerobic workout. Sabi niya, great aerobic workout. So, tingin sa palagay niyo, bakit great aerobic workout yung cycling? Ano yung idea? Yes.
Kasi when you are doing cycling or riding a bike, gumagana yung feet and also yung buhungan natin, yung lower extremities. Kaya yung parang heart rate is magkakaroon ng benefit sa katawan natin.
Yes, thank you, Kit. And additional lang, sabi ni Kit, diba, nag-improve yung lower extremity natin. But additional, yung upper extremity natin nag-improve natin while you're doing a bike, di ba? Experience nyo? Okay? Yes, very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Any idea? Any answer? Yes, very good. And the next example, swimming. Who wants to read? Yes, go.
Swimming classes.
Okay, class, listen. Okay, swimming. Sabi swimming class is full body aerobic exercise. Why? Sa palagay nyo, any idea?
Sir, kasi po lahat ng ano natin, di ba, dalawang hindi lang po ayaw ginagawa.
Yes, exactly. Kasi when you swim, yung body natin is smooth. Nag-move siya, or nagagalaw natin siya free. Di ba? Nagagalaw natin siya. Kasi pag hindi natin ginalaw yan, may possible na lumubog tayo, di ba? And additional, yung mga joints natin. Sa palagay nyo, or ano idea, bakit yung joints natin is napaka-important, napaka-malaking benefits sa swimming? Yes, okay.
Kasi sa swimming kasi, yung di ba alam natin yung tubig, kapag hindi ka gumalaw, pag di ka nag-insert ng force or ng lakas, hindi ka makakalis ng rest, di ba? Kaya pag ano siya, enjoy natin is magkakaroon ng progress or improvement.
Yes, very good. And next example, dancing. Who wants to read? Raise your hand. Yes, Roxanne.
Activities like aerobic dance classes, Zumba, and even ballroom dance to get your heart rate up.
Yes, we're thank you, Roxanne. Dancing is activity. Sabi nga, aerobic dance class is Zumba and even ballroom. Kasi, may tanong ko sa inyo, when you're doing dancing, di ba napapagod tayo? Lalo na po yung mga hip-hop like si Jessa. For example, Jessa. When do you feel or experience when you dancing like yung hip-hop? Ay, napipin mo sa body mo, may lugago, may... Sabi si Ken, yung dancing kasi is marami nakakapataas ang heart rate natin kasi when kumukugas na yung sasubay ko, yung kinasubad ko, yung mga sumulong tayo tayo pa. Kasi ngayon, yung heart rate natin talaga tumakas yan. Kaya ano na lang, conforme na lang sa'yo kung talagang normal yung katawan mo. Kung wala talagang pagbabago, di ba? Kaya kung normal yung katawan mo, yung heart rate mo talaga tataas when you're doing dancing. Yung mga Zumba, ballroom, yan.
Yes, sir.
The next one, jumping. Classic and effective aerobic activity that can be done almost anywhere. Kasi jumping kasi is dito kahit saan natin gawin pwede. Habang aerobic exercise tayo. Pwede sa gilid. Pwede tayo sa gilid. Tulad tayo na yan. Pwede mo yan. Nasabi niya effective aerobic activity. Sa palagay niyo, bakit lang siya? Effective aerobic activity siya. Any idea? Wala? Wala sa inyo yung ikaw, hindi yes. 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 Pwede rin. Tama yes.
Sabi kasi aerobic activity, so pwede siyang gawin yung jumping kasi pwede siyang gawin sa mga sayaw, ikaw sa Zumba.
Yes.
Kaya para na-integrate sa ating jumping sa
Yes. At saka talagang effective yung jumping kasi when you do jumping kasi hindi lang siya upper body, kundi full body siya. Full body natin nagagawa yung jumping na napakalaking tulong sa atin when doing jumping. Clear po ba?
Yes.
Thank you. And let's talk about the health benefits of aerobic exercise in daily life. First one is improved cardiovascular health. Okay? Sabi dyan, aerobic exercise strengthens the heart, muscle, increase endurance, and improve the body ability to use oxygen. Kapag sabi ko nga kanina, yung sa mga example natin, sa cardiovascular cardiovascular mo is kailangan maintain or dapat ma-maximize mo yung paglabas ng oxygen mo para ma-beat mo yung dulo mo like 5 kilometers. And also sabi dyan, strengthen the heart muscle. Why? Kasi when doing aerobic exercise kasi, yung heart natin, ano yan, kumbaga sa loob ng pagpininga natin, bumabalik, gumagano'n. Para siyang nagbabaw sa pag na gano'n. Kumbaga yung muscle natin is yun, dun pala sa de-develop na yung muscles natin, yung heart muscles natin. Okay? The next one is weight management. Okay? It's help body parts manage body weight and reduce the risk of obesity. Napakalaking napaka-help benefits pa like aerobic exercise. Nabanggit ko kanina sa walking. Pag gusto natin mag-lose ng weights, mag-lose ng weights is kailangan natin ng aerobic exercise. And sabi dyan, namamanage natin body weight natin. When doing aerobic exercise kasi, and mostly yung consistency na ginagawa natin yung aerobic exercise is natatrap natin siya. Natatrap natin kung may magbabago yung weights, yung weight natin na ginagawa. Yes. Sabi dyan, reduce risk of obesity. Yan, may tanong ako sa iyo,
Yes.
Sorry, so palagay mo, yung aerobic exercise pa is mahalaga para sa iyo. Yes. Why?
I really believe that it's effective because every weekends I do walking.
Yes.
Yeah, nakita yung stories ko yan. Yeah, tapos, ano siya, hindi lang siya nakaka-improve sa weight management but also to lose my energy, self-confidence, and also yung sa self-morale.
Yes. And the best factor. Okay. Next is a helpline with aerobic exercise, better blood sugar control. Kasi sabihan, regular aerobic exercise can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Kasi yung aerobic exercise kasi is sinabi ko kanina yung blood natin. Sama yung blood circulation, yung blood sugar natin is nababawasan siya. Kasi yung aerobic exercise kasi is nakakapagano ng mga toxins na katawan natin nakaka-burn when you're doing aerobic exercise. Okay? The next one is improve lung function. Okay? Increase your lungs capacity and efficiency. Pinasabi ko na rin sa inyo kanina na yung yung lungs natin sa gilid. Kasama yan sa cardiovascular natin. Kasi yung capacity ng lungs natin, pag hindi natin nagagalaw lagi yan, or hindi natin ginagawa yung aerobic exercise, for example, yung mga running, walking, mga ganyan, yung lungs natin is mahina yung capacity niya. Kumbaga low level ng capacity pag hindi ka gaano gumagalaw or napapawisan. Okay? And any other question? And let's move on our activity time. Okay. Our activity was called color-coded action. Okay. Our mechanics divided into 4 groups to pick your color and struggle to work and act out. Okay. You are arranged in 4 groups. 4 lines. Arrange. 4 groups, guys. 4 groups. 4 lines na 4 lines. 4 lines. Dito ka guys. Dito ka. Okay, arrange your line now. Okay, guys. Yung group 1 dito po. Group 1. Okay, class. Listen. Yes, paano nyo kung kayo yung okay guys, okay? Sino yung first group na nakakulang routine? Raise your hand. Okay, kayo muna yung first group na nakakulang dito. Okay? Then yung other group, side muna kayo. Guys, pahilip mo lang tayo para pahilip mo natin yung mga sinasabi natin. Okay, the first group, kanina. Gawin nyo guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, next group. Next group po. Next group. Yes, Ian. Okay, go.
Lakad muna.
Aerobic exercise required just improve heart, breathing, or cardiovascular and strength.
Okay, very good. And the next question. How do you feel or experience when doing aerobic exercise? Raise your hand. Yes, you do. Yes, yeah.
Nakakaingan siya mabilis, maganda sa lungs ko.
Yes, Kim. Okay. And that's quiz time. And guys, may sinend ako sa GC natin ng quiz natin, then ano nila? Isa siyang type na Google form assessment. Okay.
Isa sila.
Okay, are you done, guys? Class? Okay. The next is your assignment. Assignment is research and at least 5 aerobic exercises you can do at home and identify one family member who will join you in a 10-minute aerobic routine and write a short reflection on the experience. Okay, guys? That's clear?
Yes, sir.
And ako na yung tinagaw na marami kayo natutunan. And yung mga nakasagot kanina, mamaya na may reward. Okay? Thank you, sir.
Galing mo, Jerwin.